In this video, we'll show you how to make a deposit using Old Glory Pay, a seamless option for users based in the United States. It's the fastest way to get onto PulseChain, going from your bank to Coast in under 2 minutes. Old Glory Pay links directly to your bank account, letting you move USD onto Coast quickly, securely, and without the usual friction. We'll guide you step by step, from linking your bank, to initiating a transfer, to confirming your deposit. It's simple. And once you're set up, future deposits take just a few clicks. Let's get started. Depositing with Old Glory Pay. To start, log into the Old Glory Pay app. You can do this either with your regular security credentials or you can enable biometrics for improved security. Then, click the Select Transfer button. Next, click on the To From option. The next screen will prompt you to enter a username within the Old Glory Pay system. Ours is the only Coast, so it should be easy to find. After that, search for Coast. Remember to select the Business Radio button. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and remember to also include your unique memo provided on the deposit page of the Coast app. If you forget to use this, your deposit will not be processed automatically. Click Pay. Then, confirm the transaction. You'll then see the Success pop-up.